Iowa home sellers, here's something most people believe. I've got a real estate agent, so I'm covered. And look, a good agent is worth their weight in gold. They price your home, they market it, they negotiate, they keep the deal on track. But here's what nobody explains. There are a handful of questions your agent is legally not allowed to answer, no matter how much they want to help you. I'm Jeremy Danilson, a real estate attorney here in Iowa, and my team has supported over 10,000 real estate transactions in the last few years. And I'll tell you, the best agents I work with already know this. The second one of these questions comes up, they say, you need to ask an attorney. That's not them passing the buck. That's them protecting you. In Iowa, like everywhere, giving legal advice is something only a licensed attorney can do. It's called the unauthorized practice of law. So your agent can hand you the standard forms and help you through the process. But the moment a question becomes a legal question, the law puts up a wall. They literally cannot cross it. Think of it like your pharmacist. They know a ton about your medication and they'll help you all day, but they can't diagnose you. That's a different license. Same idea here. So let me walk you through the 4 big questions that land on the lawyer's side of that wall. First, how you should take ownership or how you should be listed on the deed. Joint tenancy, tenants in common, putting the property into a trust. These all sound like paperwork details, but they decide what happens to your house if you die, get divorced, or get sued. That's a legal question with huge consequences. Your agent can't tell you which one is right for your family. A lawyer can. And getting this wrong is the kind of thing that doesn't show up until years later when it's expensive to fix. Second, what the contract terms actually mean for your situation. Your agent can fill in the standard purchase agreement. That part's fine. But if you want to add a custom condition, or you're not sure what a clause does to protect your rights, or you need to know what happens legally if the buyer walks, that's legal advice. They can't give it. So people sign, assume they understand it, and only find out what they agree to when something goes wrong. Quick pause. If you're in the middle of a sale right now and you've got one of these questions, that's exactly what my team is for. We work alongside your agent, not instead of them, to handle the legal side. There's a link below to talk with us. Okay, the last 2. Third, title problems. Say an old lien pops up, or there's a boundary issue, or a name in the chain of ownership doesn't match. Your agent can spot that something's wrong, but they can't tell you what it legally means or how to fix it. A lien, by the way, is basically a sticky note the world attached to your house that says, you owe me first, and it has to be cleared before you can sell clean. Diagnosing it and curing it is legal work. Your agent flags it, a lawyer fixes it. And fourth, the big one, when real life collides with your sale, you inherited the house and a sibling's name is still on it. A co-owner passed away. You're selling in a divorce. The buyer breaches and you don't know your rights. Every one of these is a legal question with real money attached, and your agent is legally barred from advising you on any of them. These are exactly the moments people think their agent will guide them, and through no fault of the agent, they can't. So let's reset the picture. Your agent is on your team, but there's a legal wall they cannot cross. How you take title, what your contract really means, title problems, and the death, divorce, dispute situations. Those belong to a lawyer. The good news? You don't have to choose. The best setup is your agent and an attorney working together. Agent runs a sale, attorney covers the legal side. And if you've got a question that's landed on the lawyer side of that wall, click the link below and let's talk. And if you want to see this in action, I broke down the 5 things that can still kill your Iowa home sale after you accept an offer. Several of them are exactly the legal stuff we're talking about. That video's right here. Go watch it next.